Holy the fuck! What is this shit?
Meg, we go get some Captain Crunch.
Fuck you, kid, you're a dick!
Dad?
You're a faggot!
Dad, yesterday you said we could.
I ain't talking over this thing! I was recording a shit! Who gives a shit about Bigfoot? Men's asses! Fashion blog! Fashion blog! I'd like to meet the motherfucker in a fast board and show a broom on his ass! Bitch! Your mom's the one that takes that dog, not me!
Dad, there's some white stuff on the floor.
That's worse! She's a bitch! I call her a bitch right for her tits! I wanna fuck her with your dick! Or cock! She has nice ass! I'd like to take fuck her ass! Fuck him! He's an ass! Go touch his dick! I wanna fuck her now!